Let's go mudding. No, not that kind of mudding. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about auto body fillers, commonly referred to as mud or Bondo. These products are usually a polyester resin-based product and use a cream hardener to catalyze or harden them. These come in many varieties and are fairly specific to the job you are trying to accomplish. It is important to understand a little bit about the chemistry of these products to understand how they work. Common ingredients are polyester resin, talc, and styrene. The hardener is almost always MEKP, or methyl ethyl ketone peroxide. It is important to keep in mind that none of these components are friendly to the human body. Proper safety equipment should be utilized whenever working with these components. Eye, skin, and vapor protection should be used. The basic premise is that two components are combined to create a filler repairing damages to the vehicle surface. Directions for each type of filler should be followed, but a general rule is that it should not be applied in excess of a 1/4 inch of material. The exception to this is for glazing products, which should not exceed 1/8 of an inch. Regular grade fillers adhere well to clean and dry surfaces. The area should be prepped to the manufacturer's specifications. Some can be applied over painted surfaces, while others are direct to metal. These regular grade products dry in about 25 minutes when properly mixed. They will require more sanding effort than premium grade fillers. Premium grade fillers sand more easily, have better color transfer protection, and dry with less voids or pinholes. Neither of these types of fillers will stop penetration of moisture from behind the repair or possesses any structural integrity. Reinforced fillers have substrates added to them to increase their structural integrity. They often have glass, metal, or fiber added to them to make them able to fill small holes or voids. By their nature, they also have better protection from moisture or rust bleed through from behind. They are more difficult to work with and sand with much greater effort. The last type of filler is a 2-part glaze. This is used for the final layer of your repair. It is only for very small imperfections or surface scratches. It is also a catalyzed product. Care should be taken in mixing these products also. These sand very easily and take primer very well. There you go. That rounds out the mudding products. It is very important to follow mixing and preparation instructions from the manufacturers. If you do, you will have an excellent result and a repair you will be happy with. Remember, it's all about the prep. Thanks for being with us, and I'll see you next time.